So, Sterling, we are going to put you on a hot seat, Sterling. We're going to put Sterling on a hot seat. So, Sterling, starting over, what would you do differently?
Well, I mean, this question is that it's difficult because everything I did was able to get me to this point. So that's the slippery slope. I would say is to be more of a strategic thinker, because I like to look at it as, yeah, it's a double-edged sword when it comes to action taking, but I consider myself such as, let's say, the Juggernaut from X-Men, to where I've got that helmet, there's a wall in front of me, I keep running into the wall until I ultimately break through it, and that wall is a challenge. But then I've got all this debris and all this mess that I have to clean up, versus I could have just took a step back and said, okay, maybe I could build a ladder. Okay, maybe I can go around this wall. So that's what I would say more to my younger self.
Okay. And any book recommendations or anything like that that you feel would be suitable for our listeners?
Well, I mean, this is my go-to book, which is Shoe Dog by Phil Knight, which is the founder of Nike.
Okay. All right. And then lastly, what do you believe what characteristic every successful investor should have?
I'd say is the growth mindset. So having that thought process that, hey, there's a challenge in front of me, whatever the case is, that I'm going to figure it out. So I would say you must have that. And if you have the victim mindset, I just don't see it lasting too long.
Okay. Well, Sterling, thank you so much for being on the We Love Equity Real Estate show. If our listeners want to contact you, get in touch with you, how can we find you? How can we follow you?
Yeah, one way is visit the site, sterlingwhiteofficial.com. That is sterlingwhiteofficial.com. And then also it's the same on Instagram as well, which is just, Instagram is Sterling White Official.
Okay. And we'll make sure we have all of those links down in the show notes for you guys to look at. Sterling, again, very progressive. He's out there doing deals. Also, he's contributed to BiggerPockets for years, and that's how me and him met. So his articles, even some of his older articles, still contribute to your education now if you get out there and read some of those articles. So Sterling, I really appreciate it, brother. We have to reconnect and get back together. So at your leisure, at your convenience, let's reconvene and get back together.
All right, let's do it.
All right. All right. Thank you, guys. You guys know exactly what to do. This was Sterling White, official on the We Love Equity Real Estate show. You know exactly what to do. We always, always love to enjoy the journey, and we want you to do the same.